AI is coming for your job, or is it here to help? In this video, we reveal 5 powerful AI tools that could replace traditional roles, or make you so efficient, your job becomes future-proof. First up, Copy.ai. This tool can write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and even resumes in seconds. It's already replacing junior copywriters and marketing assistants in many companies. Want to create videos without ever being on camera? Synthesia uses AI avatars to deliver your script with natural voice and expressions. It's replacing training presenters and saving hours of production time. DALL E3 by OpenAI can generate professional quality images from just a text prompt. Graphic design, stock photos, even branding mockups, all done in seconds. Designers who adapt win, those who don't get replaced. ElevenLabs can clone voices, generate narration, and create realistic dialogue for content, ads, or games. It's changing the landscape for voice actors and audio editors. And of course, ChatGPT. This AI can handle customer service, write code, analyze data, and much more. It's already being used by companies to replace multiple entry-level roles. These tools aren't just about replacement, they're about evolution. Learn how to use them, and you'll stay ahead. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for weekly AI tools that make you unstoppable.